Hello, my name is Carol. I am the founder of the Bambini Method. Wanted to let you know about all the new things I am working on. So one exciting thing that I have to share with you is I wrote a book. I'm really excited about this book. I wrote a children's book. This book is a picture-to-picture book for the child to visually see all the various different steps that is needed to use the toilet. On top of that, it has different tips and tricks for the parents of what to do and how to ask questions or what to do and or say in the various different steps of your child toileting. So I am really excited. It's going to be launched on October 13th. I am going to be having a pre-sale link. If you're interested in learning more about what's happening and wanting to learn more about the book when it's coming out and all the different fun things I have offering, I have sequence pages as well that I would love to share with you. Please reach out as well. I have a free link for that to share that. I also developed language cards that are very useful and helpful to use with your child. You could play with them, you could work with them. You could discuss, you create a little story with them and create all the various different steps that's needed for the different toileting and hand washing, how to get dressed, things like that. So that's all included in the language cards. So reach out to me, let me know what you're interested in, and I would love to share all the different tools and materials I have for you to help you with toileting.